Hello guys, there we have an Electrolux oven SteamBoost COB8S39WZ, and today I will show you how you can pair your device with smartphone. So in the first step you have to find the Electrolux app in the Play Store or App Store. Then open it. Click on the continue, and now you have to log in. You can use the Google account. Now you have to agree the terms. And now click Add Appliance. Then select the oven. And you have to add permissions to the Bluetooth, location, and camera. Then click on the next. Now just find the QR code in your device. It's located in this place. Now we can scan the QR code by the phone. Then make sure the device is turned on and click on the next. Now we have to tap on the Go to Settings and select network that you want to connect to your device. Then you have to enter the Wi-Fi password. And click on the next. Now we have to turn on the appliance network. So click on the three-line button, go to the settings, and choose connections. Then click on the Wi-Fi button. After that, click on the Yes in the application. Then you have to connect to network with your device. As you can see on the oven, we have a communication about the connection successful. And in the phone also we are connected, so this is how you can do it. Now you can add the name of your device and click on the save. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.